In a world of designer blonde cats, loft apartments, man bags and tight black jeans, I give you this. The Amiga 500. This is the golden retriever of personal computing. Just look at it. It's beige. A single core 7 MHz CPU. It runs so hot, it's got cooling fins on the outside. With no GPU or hard drive, it's got the graphics processing power of a modern day microwave. It has 4096 colors, sometimes 64 at the same time. I would trust this machine to get me across the road or to get my morning slippers. In the world of 8-bit, 16-bit was God. So, the Amiga 500, it goes from 0 to the first level of R-Type in around 6 minutes. So I'm going to hack it like I stole it. It's all beige. The half megabyte spiritual successor to the Commodore 64 is man's best friend.